Hey guys, it's Julia aka The Mug Life DIY, and if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Today I am participating in the Look for Less challenge, which is hosted monthly by Yami, the Latina Next Door, and she has a new monthly co-host, which I feel like I'm gonna say her name wrong, Faith Chick 777 DIY. I'm going to have her awesome channel. I have watched several of the videos and I know you guys are absolutely going to love her channel. So check out both of those in the description box along with the playlist. And I hope you guys will enjoy my take on the Look for Less. Here is my inspiration, which I found on Jocelyn Main's website, which was $92 on sale. This is a trash find that I found a few weeks ago and has been sitting in my garage, so I just cleaned it up and I'm actually going to take it even further apart. I thought I could use this little middle part, which it worked out perfectly in the end, and then I just reassembled all four pieces of the broken frame with my handy dandy trusty glue gun. I do use Gorilla Glue, which is a little bit sturdier and I love using. I don't use anything stronger than that because I get migraines with the strong smells. So I am going to reinforce a little bit on the back side just with some extra popsicle sticks. And I flipped my frame back over, and these were actually also trash finds. I love the chargers, I love the texture. I did want to do 3, but it just wasn't big enough. And I am going to go ahead and paint with a color mixture of my choice, which is my favorite blue. I do change my mind a little bit later on, but I'm just kind of going with it right now. I did paint both of the plates. Which I also ended up changing this gray one to a lighter color as well. I just didn't quite like the two shades next to each other once I had it hung up in my dining room. I do believe I did double check. These charger plates were originally from Michaels, but if you didn't have something from Michaels that you would want to use, definitely Dollar Tree has a wonderful option. And I did just paint the inside of the frame where I took that one backing piece off just to kind of match the outer edge of it. And I am going to glue down my 2 plates to that backing part and then glue or attach it with glue to my frame. And I know I say this a lot, guys, but I just add more glue. Just keep gluing. If you do prefer using, I can't even think of what it's called, E6000 on a project that's heavier like that, definitely you could go that route, but I just don't prefer using it because honestly, I can't. I would have to be outside with a mask and just, it's not worth it for me. Now, I did take some of my Dollar Tree bamboo skewers and attached cross angles, and then I even took some cardboard and attached to both of my plates to give it a little bit more of a secure hold for my charger plates to be attached to the frame. And here is the finished DIY hanging up, and it is huge. I absolutely love it. I did say it cost $3 if you didn't have the 2 charger plates, because the bamboo skewers are from Dollar Tree and cost $1, and if you didn't have plates, it would be $2 as well. As I did mention, I changed my mind with the color. I did add a lighter blue turquoise color and swirled it around with a little bit of gold. But I love the finished project in my dining room. I really hope you guys will enjoy everyone else's videos and that you will subscribe, like, and comment below. And see you next time.